Bright Beauty. Every student matters.
In the previous session, we have introduced some of the solid shapes like cylinder, cone, cube, cuboid. All these solid shapes we have discussed in the previous session. Now in this session, we are going to see how we can plot them on a piece of paper or how we can draw them on a paper. Because now our drawing surface is a plane and the shapes which we are drawing is 3D. Now how to draw a 3D figures on a 2D plane, that we are going to discuss in this session now. So the topic is drawing solids on a flat surface, because the surface on which we are drawing these shapes is a plane, it is a flat surface. So for this we have two techniques. The first one is oblique sketches. So whenever we are drawing any 3D figure on a 2D plane, we have to keep in mind that it should appear a 3D figure only. So we have to draw them in such a way. For example, you can see this. Here is one figure. So what do you think about this figure? It is a cube. Now we have drawn this figure on a 2D plane, or we can say on a piece of paper, but still it is appearing to be a cube. But in cube all the side lengths should be equal. Here as we can see, we are not taking care of side lengths. Side lengths are not equal, but still it is appearing a cube. So this is how we draw 3D figures or 3D solid shapes on a piece of paper. So now let's discuss how we can draw them. What is the procedure we have to follow? So here is step 1 to draw a cube. So here we are trying to make a cube of dimension 3:3:3, 3 cross 3 cross 3. That is, length is 3, breadth is 3 and height is also 3. So we are drawing such a cube on a piece of paper. The step 1 is we have to draw a front face, which is a square. We have to take a squared line sheet as we have taken here, and we have to draw a square on it. And side length of square should be 3, because here side length of cube is 3. So first of all we have to draw a front face of the cube, and then the step 2. In step 2 what we have done here, we have drawn a opposite face of this face. First of all the front face and the face opposite to it, and the size should be same only. Here also we have to draw a square of side length 3. Now in the next step what we are going to do, we are going to just join their corresponding corners. So what we did in the step 3, we just joined these corners like this, as it is done in the step 2 only here with these dotted lines. The same thing we are doing in the step 3. Now by doing this we will get this cube. Now here we can see that this is a cube only, and then we can draw the same figure here. So here what we are doing, we are representing these hidden edges with dotted lines. So the hidden edges will be represented with the dotted lines. Now here as we can see, this one is a cube, and this cube is drawn on a piece of paper. That is, we have drawn a 3D solid shape on a 2D plane shape or 2D plane sheet of paper. So this is how we draw oblique sketches. Now we can try to draw a cube also. So here we have tried cube. Now what we can do, now we can try cuboid also. So let's try with cuboid now. So for cuboid also, the first step is we have to make a front face, and front face has to be a rectangle because it is a cuboid. So this will be the front face. Now the next step is we have to make the face opposite to this face, which will be again a rectangle. So it will be like this. So here we have made both the faces. Now the next step is we have to join corners. Like this we have to join corners. Now here is the cuboid. As we can see, this appears to be a cuboid only, and we have drawn this on a plain paper. So this is how we can draw solid shapes or 3D figures on a 2D plane. Now such sketches are known as oblique sketches. Here we have drawn oblique sketch for cube and cuboid. Now let's see what is the second technique for drawing solid shapes on a piece of paper. The second one is isometric sketches. Isometric sketches, for this we need isometric sheets also, that is the dotted sheet. Now let's try to form a cuboid on this. So again, step 1, what we have to do, first of all we have to take a dotted sheet paper and we have to take a dotted sheet paper and on that we have to draw a rectangle first. This rectangle is the front face of the cuboid. Now the next thing is we have to draw 4 parallel lines which are starting from these 4 corners of this rectangle, like as we have done here in this figure. We have drawn 4 parallel lines which are starting from the 4 corners of this rectangle. We can draw here. It is like this line and then this one. This dotted line sheet helps us in drawing parallel lines also, and we can measure the length of lines also. So here, as we can see in this rectangle, the length is 4. The length is of 4 units, and similarly the height of this cuboid is going to be 3 units. So first of all we have to draw a rectangle, and then from all the 4 corners we have to draw 4 parallel lines like this, as we have done here. Now by doing that we will get this second step. So this is our second step. We have to draw 4 parallel line segments of length 3, as we are going to have a cuboid of breadth 3 starting from 4 corners of the rectangle. So that's what we have done here. Now let's move to the next step. Now here is the next step. So what we are going to do now, we are just going to connect the matching corners with appropriate line segments. So here in this step what we have done, we have joined this, we have joined these line segments. So here what we are doing, we are just joining corners like this. Now here is the cuboid. This is what the third step is. We just have to join the appropriate corners by using appropriate line segments. Now here we have got one cuboid. This is the cuboid of dimension 4:3:3. As we can see here in this rectangle we have taken 4 as a length and 3 as a breadth, which will become height of the cuboid. Now here as we can see, this is 4 and this thing is 3, which is breadth of the rectangle, breadth of the cuboid, and this one is also 3, which is height of the cuboid. So the dimension of cuboid is 4 into 3 into 3. So like this we can draw a cuboid. Now from here we can just copy this sketch. So this is the isometric sketch of cuboid. So here we have discussed both the techniques of drawing 3D solid shapes on a 2D plain piece of paper. The first one was oblique sketches and the second one is isometric sketches. Now let's see few more examples on this. So till now we have observed that while drawing oblique sketches we do not take care of side lengths. But while drawing isometric sketches, we have to take care of side lengths as well. Side length should be appropriate. Now let's see one example. So question is, here is an oblique sketch of a cuboid, as we can see here in this figure. This is a oblique sketch of a cuboid. Now what we have to do, we have to draw an isometric sketch that matches this drawing. So how we can do that? First we need a dotted sheet paper like this. This is an isometric sheet and on this we have to draw a cuboid. So it will be appearing like this. We have already discussed that how we can draw a cuboid on a isometric sheet. So this is how we are going to draw a cuboid. So this will be the cuboid, the required cuboid. Now we can see the dimensions also, we can check whether they are correct or not. So here the height of the cuboid is 6. You can count from here. It is also 6 here. You can count using these dots. This is 6 units, and length of the cuboid, that is this side, it is also 3, and this one is also 3, that is breadth of the cuboid. So therefore we can say dimension of this cuboid is 3:3:6, that is 3 into 3 into 6. 3 is length, 3 is breadth, and 6 is height. So this is how we can draw 3D shapes on a piece of paper, that is we can draw 3D figures on a 2D plane.